Sorry if I laugh, guys. It's just because it's so funny. Okay, that was really funny. Shut up, Tom. Oh, sorry. I didn't notice you guys were here.